In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the AOL app on Android. If you want quick access to your AOL mail, news, and updates right from your phone, installing the official AOL app is a simple process. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're not very familiar with downloading apps on Android. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android devices, and it's where you can safely download apps. Once the Play Store is open, look at the top of the screen and tap the search bar. In the search bar, type AOL. As the results appear, look for the official app called AOL, News, Mail, and Video. It should be listed as the official app by Yahoo or AOL. It's important to choose the correct app so you know you're installing the legitimate version and not something unrelated. Once you find the right app, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you'll see more details about the app, including screenshots, ratings, and a brief description. To begin the installation, tap the Install button. Your phone will now start downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer, so give it a moment to finish. After the download and installation are complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the AOL app for the first time. At this point, the app is installed and ready to use. When the app opens, you can sign in with your AOL email account to access your inbox and other features. If you don't already have an AOL account, tap Create Account and follow the prompts on your screen to set one up. Just make sure you enter your own information carefully when creating or signing into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to use AOL Mail, browse the newsfeed, and receive notifications and updates directly on your Android device. This makes it much easier to stay connected without needing to open a web browser every time. And that's all it takes to download and start using the AOL app on Android. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have everything set up in just a few minutes.